A for apple. Apple starts with A. B for ball. Ball starts with B. C for cat. Cat starts with C. D for dog. Dog starts with D. E for elephant. Elephant starts with E. F for frog. Frog starts with F. G for girl. Girl starts with G. H for house. House starts with H. I for ink. Ink starts with I. J for jar. Jar starts with J. K for key. Key starts with K. L for log. Log starts with L. M for monkey. Monkey starts with M. N for net. Net starts with N. O for orange. Orange starts with O. P for pig. Pig starts with P. Q for quail. Quail starts with Q. R for rose. Rose starts with R. S for snake. Snake starts with S. T for tree. Tree starts with T. U for umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. V for van. Van starts with V. W for watermelon. Watermelon starts with W. X for X-ray. X-ray starts with X. Y for yak. Yak starts with Y. Z for zebra. Zebra starts with Z.